Okay, you've just finished up week 2 and you will be starting your week 3 on tomorrow. Just to look back at some feedback and update from week 2, I've already graded your discussions if you have provided your peer responses and your assignments that you posted to Waypoint. I only have 2 people who have yet to post their discussion, and you have until midnight Wednesday to do so before you receive a 0 grade. I have 9 that I am still waiting on your peer responses, but you have till midnight tonight for full credit on those, and also till Wednesday midnight before I take points off for not completing your peer responses. Remember, every discussion post has to have 2 peer responses, not responses to what they stated to you, but to their initial post of their discussion board for on the forum. You also have to make sure that you provide them with some suggestions, some great comments, and it has to be at least 50 words. Your initial post has to be at least 250 words. We haven't had that many people who were not meeting the number count, but just a couple. In looking at your waypoint assignments, you have to make sure to read the requirements. Use your precision learning pattern to make sure that you are responding with the number of sentences it might ask you to respond with, that you're doing it in order. Everyone was able to download, fill out the template, and upload it back. So that was a great job. That was the first time I had 100% on that. So that's a good job on that assignment. Next week, you will not have a waypoint assignment, so you'll have time to take and focus more on the discussion forum. So there's going to be 2 discussions this week, and they both are due on your day 3, which is this Thursday. So go ahead and use your sequence to schedule out how you're going to complete those discussions, as well as your chapter and grammar quizzes for the week. Great job. Keep up the good work. I've been checking in a lot more than I usually do and responding back as quickly as possible. So I already have one person who's already started on their discussion for Thursday. So good job with that. And I'll look at it later today. May or may not respond. Probably wait for a couple more people. But keep working hard, pushing those learning patterns. I like the discovery that you had. Some of you might want to repeat the survey, and you can do so by contacting the LCI contact person if you want to reset that and take that again. Look forward to reading your discussions this week as you go into asking and having someone else complete the survey. So that's always interesting. So think now about who you're going to make that prediction about or give the survey to. Have a good week.